My friends, has the imprint faded? Let us read together from Luke 15, the parable of the lost coin. Or suppose a woman has 10 silver coins and loses one. Won't she light a lamp and sweep the entire house and search carefully until she finds it? And when she finds it, she will call in her friends and neighbors and say, "Rejoice with me, because I have found my lost coin." In the same way, there is joy in the presence of God's angels when even one sinner repents. My friends, a coin would have had an imprint on the front and at the back of it. Likewise, we have the imprint of Jesus on us, my friends. We are the coins. But the question is it still visible, or have we lost it? My friends, when the world looks at us, what do they see? Do they see Jesus? Or are they confused because we talk about Jesus, or they see us go to church, but our lives does not speak of Christ's ways? My friends, that does not sound good and right. We are a tree, and Jesus says, no, don't look at the tree, look at the fruit. Look at the fruit. It is not in our words, my friends, but it is in our actions, in our lifestyle.